Hello everyone. Republic Day honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. On 26 January 1950, India adopted a democratic government system, completing the country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. On this occasion, let's take a place to make our country a land of peace, knowledge, unity, and prosperity. We also take another pledge to respect our soldiers and farmers for their precious service to the nation. Wish you and your family a happy 69th Republic Day. Jai Hind.